Welcome to channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Today we're diving into the world of cybersecurity. Whether you're a beginner or already into ethical hacking, these 33 websites are your secret weapons to becoming a pro in 2024. I know what you're thinking, 33 websites, that's a lot. And yeah, it is. But trust me, each site brings something unique. We're talking hands-on challenges, in-depth tutorials, communities of like-minded individuals, and resources used by real-world security professionals. Let's get started. First up, we've got Hack the Box, the ultimate virtual playground for cybersecurity enthusiasts. Step into a digital arena to compromise systems, exploit vulnerabilities, and capture the flag. Hack the Box's incredible community sets it apart. A massive online gathering of experts, enthusiasts, and curious minds eager to share knowledge and help each other grow. Next, we're taking a look at TryHackMe, a platform that takes learning cybersecurity from passive to active. Forget dry textbooks and boring lectures. TryHackMe throws you into the action with interactive learning paths and hands-on labs. Want to understand web security? TryHackMe has got you covered. The best part? You'll apply your skills in real time, reinforcing your knowledge with every hack. Now let's talk about VulnHub, your personal training ground for penetration testing. This platform is a goldmine of intentionally vulnerable virtual machines, just waiting for you to exploit. It's the perfect way to hone your skills before venturing into the real world. Over the Wire, where cybersecurity meets gaming. Ready to level up your cybersecurity skills while having fun? Over the Wire is the place. These war games teach valuable security concepts through hands-on challenges. As you progress, challenges become more complex, pushing your skills to the limit. Hack this site, your gateway to real-world hacking. This platform bridges the gap between theory and practical application. Forget simulations. Hack. This site throws you into challenges mimicking real-world website vulnerabilities. Identify security flaws, exploit weaknesses, and prove your hacking prowess. RootMe, your one-stop shop for hacking challenges. This website is a treasure trove of challenges covering cryptography, steganography, web security, and reverse engineering. Whether you're a seasoned hacker or just starting out, RootMe has something for everyone. Challenges are categorized by difficulty, so you can gradually work your way up and track your progress as you go. Want to master web application security? Pentester Lab is your secret weapon. Learn to think like a hacker through guided exercises and labs, uncovering weaknesses in web forms and authentication systems. Ready to experience the adrenaline rush of competitive hacking? Check out CTF Time, your ultimate guide to capture the flag competitions. CTF Time keeps you updated with a calendar of upcoming CTF events, online and offline. It's also a great resource for write-ups, tutorials, and other valuable information to up your CTF game. Knowledge is power in cybersecurity. For exploits, the exploit database is your go-to source. Whether seeking a specific exploit or staying informed, the exploit database is invaluable. Prefer learning through video tutorials and engaging presentations? Then SecurityTube is your new best friend. Whether you're interested in ethical hacking, penetration testing, or just want to stay up to date on the latest security threats, SecurityTube has something for everyone interested in cybersecurity. Sometimes you just need a good article to dive deep into cybersecurity. That's where Hacking Articles comes in. Learn about SQL injection, cross-site scripting, or other web application vulnerabilities. Hacking Articles has you covered. Ever dreamed of getting paid to hack? Bug bounty hunting might be your calling. BugCrowd University is the perfect place to learn. You'll learn about vulnerabilities, how to write bug reports, and how to negotiate bounties with companies. Ready to put your ethical hacking skills to the test and earn some serious cash? HackerOne is the platform for you. Find and report vulnerabilities, earn bounties, build your reputation, and make the internet safer. Who says cybersecurity education has to be expensive? Open security training makes valuable knowledge accessible to everyone. From cryptography fundamentals to advanced penetration testing, open security training offers high-quality education without breaking the bank. Need a daily dose of hacking inspiration? Look no further than Hackaday. Whether you're a seasoned hacker or just starting out, Hackaday sparks creativity and keeps you updated. Looking for a comprehensive and accessible resource to expand your cybersecurity knowledge? Cybery has got you covered. From basics to advanced penetration testing, Cybery provides high-quality education without the hefty price tag. Serious about a career in cybersecurity? SANS Cyber Aces is a great place to start. From networking fundamentals to system administration, SANS Cyber Aces provides a solid foundation for your cybersecurity journey. Want to elevate your cybersecurity skills and earn industry-recognized certifications? Offensive Security is your go-to resource. Their courses are known for hands-on approaches and real-world simulations, preparing you for the challenges of a cybersecurity career. Nullbyte, your guide to ethical hacking and cybersecurity. Nullbyte is a community-driven website and forum for ethical hacking and cybersecurity. Learn about penetration testing, malware analysis, and stay updated on the latest security threats. Nullbyte is a valuable resource. SecTools, your toolkit for cybersecurity professionals. SecTools is a curated list of top security tools recommended by experts in the field of cybersecurity. The website categorizes these tools by their functionality, making it easy to find exactly what you need. PacketStorm Security, your source for security tools and exploits. PacketStorm Security provides a collection of security tools, exploits, and advisories. It's a valuable resource for security researchers, ethical hackers, and anyone interested in the latest vulnerabilities. Darknet, your gateway to the hidden corners of the internet. This is a place where you'll find both valuable resources and potentially dangerous content. It's crucial to tread carefully and prioritize your safety and security. The Darknet can be a valuable resource for ethical hackers, security researchers, and privacy advocates. WeChaw, your playground for hacking challenges and puzzles. This website offers a variety of hacking challenges and puzzles, covering cryptography, steganography, web security, and reverse engineering. WeChaw is a great way to test your skills, learn new techniques, and compete with hackers from around the world. Hack This, your interactive playground for ethical hacking. The website offers a variety of challenges ranging in difficulty from beginner to expert. Each challenge simulates real-world scenarios like exploiting a vulnerable web application or bypassing security measures. Hacking Lab is a website with online labs and challenges for learning cybersecurity. Each lab offers a safe environment for you to experiment and learn. The website also offers certification to validate your skills. Pentest Tools is a website that provides a comprehensive collection of tools and resources for penetration testing. The website offers a wide variety of tools covering all phases of a penetration test, from reconnaissance to exploitation and reporting. ExploitDB is a website that maintains a database of exploits, security papers, and advisories. The website is updated regularly with new content and provides a search function to help you find what you're looking for. It also has a forum where you can discuss security topics with other users and share insights. Security Focus, your source for information security news and analysis. The website covers security topics including vulnerabilities, threats, and best practices. Security Focus is a valuable resource for security professionals, IT admins, and anyone interested in the latest security threats. Ethical Hacker Network, your community for connecting with like-minded individuals. A platform for networking, sharing knowledge, and collaborating on security projects. The Ethical Hacker Network is a resource for anyone interested in cybersecurity, regardless of skill level. Hack Forums, your online hub for hacking discussions and resources. The forum covers topics like ethical hacking, penetration testing, programming, and more. While Hack Forums is a valuable resource, it's essential to exercise caution, as it also attracts individuals with malicious intent. Reddit is a treasure trove of communities. The rnetsec subreddit is a goldmine for network security enthusiasts. For those eager to delve into ethical hacking, the r/howtohack subreddit is an excellent starting point. This subreddit provides a platform for beginners to ask questions, learn from experienced hackers, and discover valuable resources for honing their skills. Have a burning question about network security? The r/AskNetSec subreddit is the place to go. Whether you're struggling to configure a firewall or curious about the latest zero-day exploits, the helpful members of r/AskNetSec are there to guide you through it all. And there you have it. 33 secret hacking websites that can transform you from a cybersecurity newbie to a seasoned pro in 2024. Remember, this isn't just about memorizing facts. It's about diving in and building real-world skills. The cybersecurity landscape is constantly evolving, so continuous learning is key. Embrace the challenge, and who knows, you might become the next cybersecurity legend. That's it for today's video. Check out the links in the description to explore these amazing websites. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content.